gives you a deep, solid scientific understanding of how things work. Because when you look at art, when you look at three-dimensional images on a two-dimensional canvas, it's really an optical illusion.
Oh, the Jeff Richards show.
Oh.
What is sound? It has amplitude, it has frequency, it has velocity, it has acceleration, it has momentum.
In almost a choreographed march across your forehead.
Yes, doctor. Give me his name, doctor. Give me his name, doctor. But let's not get off track.
No.
It's okay. it's okay, because
Yeah. All right, man.
Nut
Yeah.
butter. I like a little nut in my butter.
your real name is Bradley Henry Gerstenfeld.
Well, Bill Murray discovered you. He was
Let me ask you that. Was it easier having been...
You ain't up any social media you want to plug?
Why don't you go sit on a pile of beef and shove it up your ass? Why don't you?
David Attenborough.
Forgot it again.
No,
Boy, killing it for you, boy. Killing it.